Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is a friendly neighborhood trader Ankan. I hope you are doing well. This is the monthly reading for Aries or Mesh Rashi, Sun Moon Rising for the month of August 2025. This is a general reading based on collective energy, so it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can check out the reading for your other signs. If you don't know how to check your other signs, you can check out my previous video on zodiac signs. Link is in the description below. Also, do stick to the end of the video to know your monthly oracle guidance card for this month. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So let's get on with the reading for Aries or Mesh Rashi for the month of August 2025. So Aries, I see you guys involved with a lot of people this month. A lot of people are going to come into your life this month. This month could also very much be focused on your work related things, as well as if you are into like some kind of project, the month could revolve around that. I also see there is an energy of you trying to prove a point, trying to make a statement in your workplace, in your work, or with the people you work with, you interact with, you mingle with, you form connections with. We will look into these cards as we go along, but now let's look at the other cards. Now, when it comes to your career and finances, I see the hangman, and this comes to you as an advice. Now, when the hangman usually comes to you as an advice, the universe is asking you to take a new perspective, to look at things differently, not be in a orthodox kind of mindset, not look at things the same way you have always seen things. So, what you need is a new perspective, a new view, a new outlook, and also another important thing that comes with the hangman is that you need to take a step back and you need to hold yourself back. I feel like you guys are rushing into a lot of things. You guys are being impulsive on a lot of things in your career, and so the universe is kind of asking you to uh, you know mm, hold yourself back and not rush into things. Take things slow and with a new perspective, with a new outlook, with a new idea, and also try to gain some spiritual, as well as not just spiritual but an overall wisdom on things. Try to gain insights into things before you take the next step. Now, when it comes to your love and relationships, I don't see much of a progress here. I see a lot of planning. I see a lot of, about to do things but not actually taking a step, which is very unlike an Aries because you guys are always in for the action. But yeah, I see you guys being quite slow, not taking a step, thinking about a lot of things, whether to move things forward or not to move things forward and stay back. So, not much progress when it comes to your love and relationship this month. Now, when it comes to your health, well, very good energies, very positive energies. I see you guys doing quite well, being very satisfied. Mentally, you guys are doing great, as well as physically. Very good energies. Nothing to worry about. If there was some issues with your health, if you were, going through a tough phase, medically, health-wise, I see that coming to an end. I see you being, getting out of that situation, getting out of that health issue, and doing quite well. Now, the other energies that is there is the Ace of Wands. So, yeah, some of you are going to have a new beginning. This could be in any sector of your life, possibly in your career, but again, it's hard to say because this is a general reading. So yeah, a lot of you are going to have a new beginning in some sector of your life. You will also be provided with some sort of choice when it comes to your possibly your love and relationship. There could be someone in your life, someone is there who you feel is like the one meant for you, who is a very much soulmate kind of energy. But like I said, since there is no progress, since there is no action when it comes to your love and relationship, I don't see you taking much, doing anything about it. Although the energy is there of someone in your life, and this someone is, meant to be with you, meant to come into your life for a reason. The universe is actually sending the person towards you for a reason. But yeah, like I said, you're not taking any action towards it. You have to make a choice here. The universe is kind of pushing you to make a choice here, and the sooner you make it, the better. But obviously, don't be impulsive. Think things through, and then take the step. And otherwise, I also see an element of competition here. There is other people involved. There is a battle of egos, clashes, people not willing to listen to you, and yeah, people are trying to oppose you. People are trying to, like the energy is very much of, what should I say, work related, but there is competition. It's not conflict, but there is competition, and this might trouble you a bit. This might cause some sort of stress, some sort of, this might bring out things within you that you don't want to, bring forth, such as aggression or, uh, negative, like, not so good energies. We all have them inside us, but we don't choose to bring them, in front of people. So this might lead you to bring those, in front of the people. Now, the thing that you should focus upon, well, you get the 8 of Wands. So yeah, I suggest you should focus upon taking a step here, taking fast action here. I think you have had lots of time to think about it, and you have planned out a lot of things, done your research, and now is the time to take a step, because most of the cards are kind of signifying that only. It's time to take the step, except for the Hangman, which I see like it comes in your career. Except for your career front, I would ask you to, in other sectors of your life, especially in your love and relationship, do take step, do take action. It's high time for you to take action towards something, and you have had your time of, introspection, digging deep, and doing your research. Now is the time to take action. So yeah, Aries, that would be all for your reading. Now we'll look at the Oracle guidance card for your month, and let's see what's coming for you this month. So yeah, let's see what messages are coming for you. Yeah, you get the Limitless card. So see yourself open to receive in the most miraculous ways. The divine can use anything and anyone. So it talks about basically potential, limitless potential, your limitless potential to do things, to make things happen. And since, again, I'm focusing on the Hangman. After you're done thinking about things, after you're done, researching, you should take the step, because the, potential is limitless, like the card signifying, and you can get things done. It is high time to get things done, at least in some sectors of your life, like I said, in your love and relationship as well. The potential is limitless, so just focus on that and take action towards it. And yeah, that would be all for your reading this month, Aries. I hope you like the reading, and if the reading resonated with you, do leave a like and comment. and also comment to claim the reading, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.